All right, so we're going to find the confidence interval here. We had a concern about part A from question 4 from the week 5 assignment. And here's the question here. And it wants us to find, to estimate the average age at first marriage of women using a 95% confidence interval. So we have a 95% confidence interval. So to do this, we'll use some information. First off, if you want to, if we're interested in finding the average age, estimate with the confidence interval the average age, we're talking about we're estimating the mean age. So if we're doing a confidence interval on the mean, then we would go to stat, over to tests, and then go down to, now we would do a t-interval because we are given the sample standard deviation. We only use z-interval if we're given population standard deviation. But this standard deviation right here is from a sample size of 5,534 randomly sampled women. So it's not a population, it's just a sample. So we use t-interval since we have sample standard deviation again. All right, so, and we have stats. We don't have data. We go down, and we'll enter in the standard, or the mean is the first value, x bar. So that, the average age is 23.44. And then x, which would be standard deviation. Standard deviation is 4.72. And then lastly, we enter the sample size, which is 5,534. And, well, actually, this is the last value, the C level, the confidence level. And that's given in part A. I don't have it here where you can see, but in part A it says estimate the average age at first marriage of women using a 95% confidence interval. So 95%, that's actually right here. You want it in decimal form, so that's 0.95. And we'll calculate. And notice it says, please round ages to 2 decimal places. And 2 decimal places, that would be 23 point, and then 3, we'll round up to 2, 3, 2. And this is 23.5, and then round down to 6, since we have a 4 for the third decimal value. So here's the interval. That's how you enter it, 23.32 for the first blank, and then 23.56 for your second blank. So use t-interval in this way, and let me know if you have any concerns. I am more than happy to help.